In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing using free automation tools like ManyChat and ChatGPT. And that is not all. I'm also going to show you how to make money with mobile traffic. I'm going to show you this website right here, which you can use to get free targeted mobile traffic and start making money online. And the reason we are using mobile traffic is because most people are on their mobile device all the time, and that is easier for us to get leads as opposed to targeting users on desktop. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into today's video. The first step is signing up to a CPA network, and you can come over to offervault.com. All you simply need to do is to click on affiliate networks, and you'll be able to find various CPA networks that you can sign up to. However, for simplicity, we are going to be taking CPA Lead in today's video. And if you scroll down here, CPA Lead has been existing since 2006, as you can see right here, and they've paid over $100 million to affiliate to people in over 180 countries, which means you can sign up to this CPA network and start making money right away. So once you come over to CPA Lead, all you need to do is to click on create an account. And also the reason why I like CPA Lead is because it has a fast pay feature, which means when you make money today, you can get paid tomorrow. As you can see right here, the minimum payout is $1. So all you need to do is to enter your basic information and you'll be able to create your account right away. So once you create an account on CPA Lead, your dashboard should look like this. And as you can see right here, if you scroll down, you're going to see various CPA offers you can start promoting on the platform and start making money. And just like I said earlier, it has a fast pay feature, which means whatever you earn when promoting this offer today, you can request for payout and get paid right away. So once you are in your account, you want to come over to the device section. This is very important. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we want to target users on their mobile device because most people today are always on their mobile devices. So I'm going to select mobile only right here. So if you scroll down here, you can see these offers are available on mobile devices, which means people can get access to this offer on either Android or iOS. Okay, so now you can see this offer here is going to pay us 61 cents for people signing up for an account if we decide to go with this offer. However, I recommend going for this third offer right here, which is going to pay us $6.12 for everyone who sign up to this offer. As you can see, this offer has the fast pay feature, which means whatever you make today, you can request for payment tomorrow and get paid. And also, as you can see right here, you are limited to 25 leads a day, which is not a problem because I'm sure most people watching this video would be happy making $150 a day. Another important thing to look out for is the target country of this offer. As you can see right here, this offer wants leads from United Kingdom only. And if you scroll down here, you can click on preview offer to preview the landing page of this offer. As you can see right here, all people need to do is to open a free account and get £100 in their account. So I'm going to show you how to promote this offer and start making money. So the next step is creating an account on ManyChat. Just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we will be using automation to make money with this method on AUTOPILOT. All right, so as you can see right here, unleash the power of chat marketing, which means you can drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using ManyChat. So once you come over here, all you simply need to do is to click on get started for free. Once you do that, you want to select the platform which you'll be using to get leads for the CPA offer. And the platform we are going to be using today is Instagram. So all you need to do is to click on Instagram. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, which is going to tell you to continue with Facebook. This means you can only create an account on ManyChat using Facebook. So once you create your ManyChat account with Facebook, all you need to do from here is to create an Instagram account, which will be connecting to our ManyChat account. I hope this makes sense. So once you successfully create a brand new Instagram account like this, the next step is creating content, which we'll be using to get leads from our Instagram account. So you want to simply come over to canva.com, which is a free platform as well. I highly recommend to click on Try Pro for 30 days. This means you are going to have access to advanced features that is going to make you get as many leads as fast as possible. So once you come over to canva.com, all you need to do is to search for Instagram Reel. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on create a blank Instagram reel. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and don't forget, this offer is going to pay people £100 for creating an account on the platform, which means we are going to target people who are looking to make money online. All right, so you want to go back to your Canva account, and here you want to type in make money online. And now if you scroll down, Canva has provided amazing templates you can use to create content right away, which would have cost you a lot of money hiring freelancers on Fiverr. So once you come over here, you want to select any of these templates, and I'm going to take this one here as an example. All right, so I'm going to click on apply all 6 pages. As you can see right here, this is a real person which is going to resonate with a lot of viewers on Instagram. So now the next step is customizing this template, and to do that, we are going to need ChatGPT for this. And if you are enjoying this video so far, please drop a like on this video. I really appreciate it, and it also motivates me to bring more amazing content like this. So once you come over to ChatGPT, all you simply need to do is to type in a short prompt like this: give me 10 tips to make money online, and keep it short, and you want to click on send. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us tips people can use to make money online from these various methods right here. Okay, so now we are going to simply copy this and paste it on Canva. So as not to prolong this video, I've edited this template. As you can see right here, I've listed some tips people can use to make money online. Okay, so now as you can see, this is very short and straight to the point. And now at the end of the video, I ask people to comment money to get £100, as you can see right here. So this is very important. You want to do this at the end of the video, and I'm going to show you why you must do this in a moment. So once you're done creating your video on Canva, all you simply need to do is to click on share, and you want to scroll down here and click on download. So while the video is downloading, I'm going to show you how to use the automation feature of ManyChat to get leads from Instagram on autopilot. So once you've created your ManyChat account with your Facebook account, you want to then connect your ManyChat to your Instagram account. All you simply need to do is to click on automation, as you can see right here. So once you click on automation, you want to come over here and click on new automation. So once you do that, it's going to provide you with a lot of templates which you can use to create this automation, but I highly recommend to click on start from scratch. So once you do this, you want to then click on this first section that says new trigger. Okay, so now once you click on this button, it's going to ask you what type of automation you want. And as you can see right here, just like we showed in our Canva video, we want people to comment money in the comment section of that video. As you can see right here, user comment on your post or reel. So once people comment on our post, we want to trigger this automation. All right, so now you want to click on user comment on your post or reel. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you must have uploaded that video you created on Canva to your Instagram account. So once you do that, I'm taking my XB Marketing account as an example, but the method is the same. So let's assume this is the video I uploaded on my Instagram account. So I'm going to select this video right here. So once you select that video, all you then need to do from here is to click on continue. And if you click on continue, as you can see, this is where you want to type in that keyword, which is going to trigger the automation. So now you want to type in money right here. Since this is the keyword we are targeting, all you simply need to do from here is to click on continue. So once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you want to select no, and then you want to click on save. So once that is done, you want to come over here and you want to click on this section. If you do this, this is where you want to type in the message these people are going to see in their DM. So now you want to type in something simple like this to captivate people's attention, as you can see right here. Okay, ready to make money, open a free Tide account to get £100. And this is from the offer page itself. As you can see right here, people can create an account on this platform, and if they do, they get £100. So now once you do this, you want to then click on this add a button. So once you click on this add a button, you want to then type in a title for this button. So I'm just going to type in click here. Okay, so once you type in click here, you want to scroll down here and you want to click on open website, and this is where you're going to be pasting your affiliate link. So to get your affiliate link, you want to come back to your CPA Lead account and you want to click on copy link. So once you do that, you want to come over to any URL shortener of your choice, like bit.ly.com, or you can use tiny URL. So once you do this, all you need to do from here is to then click on shorten URL. So once you do that, it's going to provide you a shortened link, and you want to copy that link. So once you copy that link, all you simply need to do is to paste in the link right here, and this is all you need to do, and you want to click on done. So what this means in a nutshell is once people come over to this video right here, and if they go to the comment section, if they type in money, this tool is going to automatically send them this message to their DM where they are going to see this link. And once they click on this link, it's going to bring them to this offer page. Once they sign up for this offer, you are going to get $6.12. So once everything is done, all you need to do from here is to then click on set live. This automation is now live and it's going to start working right away. So that is all you really need to do. And the final part of this video is creating a country-based Instagram account. What I mean by this, in this video, I showed how to create a country-specific Instagram account and how to go viral even as a new account on Instagram. I showed everything in this video, and I highly recommend to check out this video because without this video, this method is incomplete and you won't make any money at all. So I can't stress the importance of this video enough, as it's going to show you how to create a UK-based Instagram account, because if you create a UK-based Instagram account, then your content is going to be pushed out to people in the UK, and that is where this offer wants leads from. So it's a win-win situation for you if you do that.